Hey everybody. This is what you get when you live in the Great White North. May the... what is it? 11th? Complete total whiteout. Look at the snow on the roof. Like, this is insane. Look at that. It is unbelievable. God dang. Look at the trees. Oh, look at this stuff. This is nuts. What the heck? You have your snowmobile on the lawn. This is just fucking insane right now. Like, look at the snow. Excuse my language, but shit, like, oh my goodness. I didn't even expect this. This is May 11th. Monday, May 11th. Southern Ontario, 2020. Look at the snow. We haven't had snow like this in a while, but it has been snowing on and off every now and then over the past few weeks. But nothing compares to this. Like, this much accumulation we have not seen since March. Like, this is nuts. I look at the chop my hand. That's insane. Like 10 centimeters almost. It's gotta be more than 5. Oh my goodness. Winter Wonderland, eh?